Hi folks, it's T from Showing Coasters here at Six Flags St. Louis. Just check up on the progress of Adventure Cove here, see how far the construction is coming along. Looks like they did a lot since last time I was here, but it's too bad today is the last day here for the water park and it's not done. Maybe next year it'll be done. By the tidal wave, I guess I don't know they do any work over here, or if this is part of the removal of Superman, the drop tower. So, folks, this is what's left of Superman, the drop tower, tower power here. It's being replaced by Catwoman's whip, as you may know here. Looks like they're doing some construction. The station is gone, and some of the tower. I think two of them are still up there, but I don't know if they remove any of it at all, but slowly but surely, looks like they tear down the wall to make room for the new ride, the new skyscraper, the Funtime skyscraper that's coming here next year here. Looks like they're starting decorating for Halloween already. This right on Labor Day weekend. It's gonna look good. I wonder if they're gonna have the haunted attractions over here this year or not. No, it's just a tunnel. This area right here where the circle of justice usually is a clown area, but it looks like they haven't got that far yet. Start seeing some of the burlap bags by the Hall of Justice there. Folks, thank you for joining me for checking on the status of some of the attractions Six Flags St. Louis here. Superman Drop Tower, Catwoman's Whip, and new kids area, Adventure Cove. Happy Labor Day. This is T, and have a good night. Thank you.